Hi guys, it's Michelle here. I'm doing keto basics for beginners, for just your everyday normal persons trying to lose a little bit of weight using the ketogenic lifestyle. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay everybody, I'm going to make this quick. I had recorded earlier like a 20-minute video and was going to split it up. And then I got my first segment of the 3-part segment uploaded to YouTube, and when I went back to edit the second part, I accidentally hit erase and erased the last 18 minutes of that video. So I'm going to just go ahead and do it all in one little go so you can see what I'm talking about. Alright, so I'm going to make this quick and show you things I snack on, items I have purchased to help me. First off, we're going to start off with, go to Amazon, $10.99. Amazon Basics, Food Scale. Food Scale helps you keep better track of your food. You can sit and use cups to measure, quarter cups, third cups, whatever. But I saw firsthand, you weigh a cup of something in a cup, even if it's tared, 249 grams, when a cup volume of something is 200 grams. Highly recommend you get one. Easy to use. This Amazon one was $10.99, come with batteries. I haven't been disappointed yet. The second thing you need to do, and I left it in the kitchen, and I'm not going to waste time to run back in there. Get you a digital scale. Get you a digital scale so you can weigh yourself every day. Do not get an analog one. If you have an analog one, throw it out. Go get you a digital one so you can keep up with your weight by ounces, pounds and ounces. Because you may weigh 195 pounds, 5 ounces one day, and then lose 5 ounces. Well, that's still a loss, and that's something that you need to pat yourself on the back for. So please, go get you a scale. The scale I have is a Taylor. It came from my dad when he passed away a couple of years ago, and I have been using it lovingly ever since. Another thing, if you like waffles, if you want bread, you can make all kinds of bread substitutes with a truffle iron. This was $9.99 Amazon. I'm not going to waste time posting pictures and stuff because it's just, I'm still upset about losing that 18 minutes of footage that I had worked so hard on this morning. But anyway, that's the truffle iron. I got the heart-shaped one because I'm a big sucker for cute stuff. So anyway, I highly recommend it. It's worth it. You don't have to, but I mean, if you like bread, yeah, and waffles and stuff, and you want a keto version, which if you're interested, I can post recipes, but yeah, I highly suggest getting one of those. Snacks. Well, there are a lot of ketogenic snacks out there, and I'm just going to tell you the ones that I use. I'm trying to stay simple. Wisps, almonds. Wisps are nothing but cheese that's been baked, and they're like crispy little crackers. They're delicious. They have 150 calories for about a quarter cup serving, and you get 10 grams of good fat. You get 1 gram of carbohydrates. 1 gram. That's it. Almonds. Serving size, quarter cup. That's usually about 14 servings per container. You get 15 grams of fat. You get 6 grams of carbohydrates minus the 3 grams of dietary fiber. I'm posting what net carbs are right here. That's what you count as your net carbs. Sweetener. A lot of people are going to argue with me. They're going to say, oh, you got to use milk fruit or stevia, which tastes like poo-poo, and all blah, blah, blah. Great value, knockoff Splendid Honey. You don't have to spend a lot of money to be on keto. Great for bacon. You can use it in your coffee, whatever. Yeah, love this stuff. The coffee I'm drinking right now was on sale. I'm really enjoying it though. It's this Maxwell House Boost. It's got extra caffeine in it, so when I get up in the morning, I can usually have like 1 cup of coffee and I'm ready to freaking go. I mean, I'm just like, yeah. Used to it'd be like half a pot. Now I only drink a couple of 3 cups of coffee a day, not every hour. So yeah, I suggest trying this. I caught it on sale at Ollie's for like $1.99 a can. I grabbed a few. But yeah, that's what I'm drinking right now. Sweet tea. I'm Southern. I love sweet tea, honey. This, already sweetened. 1 gram of sugar for 12-ounce serving. I only drink maybe a glass, maybe 2 a day. Usually just 1 here lately because I'm trying to do a lot of water. Water. Let's get into the water. Water. Here is my bottles I got at Walmart. They're 22 ounces. I paid $1 a piece for them. I put raw apple cider vinegar. I got this at the Dollar Tree for $1. Get the one with Mother. Get the one with Mother. It's this kind of, you see this stuff? You shake it up and it gets kind of cloudy. Well, all that is probiotics. That is great for your gut. Apple cider vinegar is great to boost metabolism. Put a half a cap, you can barely taste it, in this. Delicious. I mean, it kind of, when you open it up, you kind of get a little whiff of vinegar, but once you start drinking it, you can't even hardly taste it. And the health benefits are worth it. I highly recommend it. Let's see. Pork rinds. Y'all know y'all like some pork rinds. If you're from the South especially. These are great. They have no carbs. I think they're 80 calories a serving, 6 grams of fat. That's a good snack to have. And you can fry chicken with them. You crush them up, bread your chicken, fry it. Great alternative to flour. Alright, and my last snack that I'm going to show y'all is, you can use peanut butter or sun butter or pecan butter. Those are the 3 best because cashews are a little bit too high in carbs. But this one has 6 grams carbs, dietary fiber of 2 grams, so 4 grams net carbs per serving, which is 2 tablespoons. And, you know, I do like my mom. I usually don't eat because I don't eat peanut butter sandwiches anymore. I do like my mom does and do that peanut butter sucker. And I just get a spoon of peanut butter or sunflower butter and eat it. It's delicious and it kind of helps take the edge off if you do get hungry. But I will tell you, keto is really high in fat and you kind of stay full. I don't really get that hungry ever anymore. Unless I just go all day long without eating. But, you know, I'm intermittent fasting, I'm doing OMAD, and I eat about 3-ish every day. And then I may at night, I may get a little hungry. But like I said, I just eat a few whisks or almonds or a spoon of this, and I'm really great. I'm good to go. But I just want to tell y'all, I am down 11.8 pounds in 6 days. I'm going to weigh myself tomorrow and let y'all know and show pictures and everything. So if y'all are interested in that, stick around, okay? Because y'all going to get an eye full of some me. Alright, guys. We'll holler at you later.